Good morning, Todd from Walnut Ridge Service Department. Video Friday, rainy Friday out there. Got some tips here on maintenance and sealant maintenance issues. You want to come around here, I'm going to show you. So we had a customer bring unit in, just this was cracked on the bottom of his slide. So he brought it in just to have this replaced. Upon the tech pulling this down and looking, and you can see it has water damage on the slide out floor, the start of it, so it has started to swell. Here is where the floor line rail goes. So there's a black, it's like a screw rail here, and you can see the screw holes. So it is screwed into the side. Then there is sealant that runs all around that. So there was probably a void in some sealant at some point. Water protruded in here, ended up pooling right here. As you can see the edge too, where it's all water damaged. It's still fairly solid, but over time it's gonna get worse because the water is in there, and it's just gonna continue to get worse to the point where they may go to run this slide in or out, and it may not move because as that floor swells up, it's not going to be able to, the motor's not going to be able to, against that resistance, to be able to pull this big slide in. So can't emphasize enough. So here's where so you got your slide fascia, vertical, and then a horizontal piece, which the tech has already taken off, so that's how you can see that. But your sealant runs, you need to check your sealants on these as well. This side here, by looking at it, it looks very good on this side. There's no water damage on this end of it, so it's all stemmed from here and on the front. So just be adamant on checking your sealant. This is just 100% clear silicone that you can use. You can pick it up at our retail store. You can pick it up anywhere. You can order it online. It's just 100% pure silicone. Get you a caulking tube, caulking gun, clean the area, and then reseal it and let it set up. Obviously, you don't want to do it out cold temperatures because it's not going to set up. So bring it into us if you don't want to mess with it, or if you want to attempt to do it yourself, just make sure it's above freezing and not raining. Take a couple hours for it to set up once you reseal everything. Hate to see this happening, but we caught it early enough that the customer's not going to have any issue down the road. We get this new floor in, he'll reseal everything. You just want to check your sealants. I say about every 90 days just to be on the safe side. I hope this helps. You guys have a good rest of the Friday and a good weekend.